Welcome to the notswish host masterclass. This app manages pickleball round-robin tournaments. It automatically creates fair schedules, tracks scores, and shows standings. Let's learn everything you need to host a session. There are two roles. The host creates the session, adds players, and controls the game. Players join using a 4-character code or by scanning a QR code from their phones. Before we start, some key rules. You need at least 4 players in one court. If the number of males equals females, the app creates mixed gender doubles. If there are more players than court slots, some sit out, but nobody sits twice until everyone has sat once. Players must be added in same gender batches. To start, the host taps Create Session. This generates a unique 4-character session code that players will use to join. Now let's add players. Notice the gender toggle is set to M for male. Watch what happens if we accidentally type a female name here. Wait, Alice is female. The UI requires same gender batches. Let's clear that and add our male players instead. We can type multiple names separated by commas. Males added. Now tap the F toggle to switch to female, then add the female players, Alice, Diana, and Eve. All 6 players added, 3 male, 3 female. Share this session code or tap it to show a QR code. Players scan it with their phone camera to join instantly. They can also type the 4-letter code after selecting Join Session. If you're playing too, tap your name from the list. Otherwise tap I'm just spectating to watch and manage without being scheduled into matches. Set the number of courts and rounds. Defaults are 2 courts and 8 rounds, but you can adjust them. With 6 players in one court, 2 players sit out each round, but never twice in a row. Tap Create Schedule and start. The app generates a fair schedule that mixes genders and minimizes repeat pairings. This is the essential step. The session is now live. Round 1 is live. Match cards show each court's teams with blank score fields. This same view appears on every player's phone. 2 players are sitting out this round and will play next round. Anyone can enter scores, not just the host. Tap the score fields, type the scores, and tap Submit. Let's enter 11-7 for Court 1. Once all courts are scored, the round advances automatically. Notice the progress bar. Round 2 is now active. The scores update on everyone's device in real time. Tap Full Schedule in the header to see all rounds at a glance. It shows teams, courts, scores, and who's sitting out each round. Tap Current Round to go back. The bar chart icon shows current standings, wins, losses, point differential. The info icon explains how rankings are calculated. Tap back to round to return to the active session. Play through all rounds, or tap End Session to finish early. Either way, the final leaderboard shows all completed results. Now let's cover the what-if scenarios. What if scores are wrong? What if a player gets injured? What if you need a substitute? Let's walk through each. Wrong scores entered. Tap any completed round in the progress bar to go back and review it. Each segment is clickable for rounds already played. Now you're viewing a past round. Tap the pencil icon to edit a score. Change the values and submit. The correction updates on everyone's device automatically. Tap back to current round when done. If a player needs to leave, say Dave gets injured, find their name in the player list and tap the X button next to their name. A confirmation dialog explains what will happen. Their unscored match is removed. All future rounds are regenerated for the remaining players. Completed scores are preserved, and they appear as left early in final standings. Need a substitute? Tap any player's name on the match card. It becomes an editable field. Type the new player's name and it replaces them throughout the session. Simple as that. That's the complete host masterclass. You know how to create sessions, add players in batches, manage scores, handle departures, and substitute players. Tap Exit to return home and create your first real session.